that to me. See it? Fetch. Give it back. Are you ready? Fetch. Are you getting tired now? She's been doing this for 5 minutes. Ready? Fetch. Bring it back. No, give it back. Don't drop it back there. You ready? Fetch. Oopsie, sorry, I hit your tail. And then I landed right there. Fetch. Hi, baby. Fetch. Fetch. Watch, I bet if I threw it over the stairs, she would jump down there. No, give it to me over here. Bring it to me over here. Go get it. Bring it to me, Mittens. Okay, fine, I'll get it. You gotta bring it to me. Bring it to me. Here, I'll throw it then. Mittens, fetch. Oh, you're so cute. I chose to play with these. You're exhausted, aren't you? Fetch. Bring it back. Come on, baby, bring it back. Bring it back. Come on. I know you can do it. Oh, you want to break. Bring it back to me, and I'll throw it. No, you gotta bring that to me, and I'll throw it. Oh, look at her mouth. So cute. I would go get it, but I'm just too tired. Yeah, that's right. Bring it back. Oh, no, you gotta put it in your mouth, sweetie. You gotta put it in your mouth. Are you tired? Go get it. Go get it and bring it back to Christina. Go get it and bring it back. You're so stubborn. I'll go get it. Now you're up again. Now you're up again. Come back in my room. You ready? You ready? Fetch. Go get it. It's over there. It's right there. Mittens, go get it. It's right there. Right there. She doesn't even see it, does she? Mittens. Oh, I was trying to trick her. Look over here.